Gully Bob's funeral date and the final resting place revealed. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. After much speculation and rumors about the final resting spot and burial for dancehall entertainer Gully, it has been announced. This announcement was made via his sister Anne-Marie Chamberlain and stated that the funeral service will be held on January 14, 2024. More than a month and a half after he passed away at the Kingston Public Hospital, Gully Bob's funeral will be held in the West Rural St. Andrew district of King Weston where he was born. According to Chamberlain, the burial spot will be in King Weston at the family plot. She continued by stating, I guess we will be churching there too at the church where he used to attend when he was much younger. However, just like how Gully Bob's musical career was filled with many controversies, his funeral proceeding plans have garnered a few as well. In Chamberlain's own word via a video, she stated, a lot of things have been said and still are being said, but I don't give much attention to narcissists. People will talk and let them talk. It is a balanced world. She continued by stating, we need them for motivation. You can be strong to face the world. We can choose to answer. You can choose not. I choose not because when you play chess, you know when to move. Gully Bob, after reporting battling health issues and financial struggles for some time, the breakout dancehall artist passed away in hospital. Gully Bob's manager Jackie Hound confirmed the information that the DJ died on Monday, October the 30th, after being admitted to the Kingston Public Hospital for 2 weeks. Gully Bob's challenges pushed him into the spotlight earlier this year, following an appeal by personality and humanitarian Donna Gow. Hundreds of friends, fans, and fellow entertainers are expected to turn out in order to pay their final respect to Gully Bob. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.